So this project is very close to my heart. We have delivered more than 60,000 meals to senior citizens. We have covered more than 90 beneficiaries under this project.
Hello, today I am going to invite you for this new episode of Meet the Leader, and we are honored to introduce our new leader, Mr. Vinod Parmar sir, Director, Sakshamthad Foundation, a social responsive initiative of Parul University. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, we are really pleased and happy to have you here. Sir, can you tell us about yourself as a director and as a social worker?
Yeah. So I have started my journey from post-earthquake, means Gujarat earthquake, or we can say Kutch earthquake. I have completed my MSW and I am pursuing PhD now. From post-earthquake, we have started our journey as a field executive or field coordinator from grassroots level. Then I became the program manager, program coordinator in different organizations like Navjivan Trust, Helpage India, Water and Sanitation Management Organization, VASMO, Government of Gujarat, for the social development and for the upliftment of the marginalized communities. So I have 15 years experience in the field of social work, and I have learned lots of things, how to connect with the people, how to reach the unreached people, and how we can make them empower by giving some projects or program or some sustainable models. So I think this is the very nice opportunity for me to have this nice episode to interact with the students as well as parents and all the community. So thank you very much.
Yeah, that's really a nice and vast exploring journey you are having.
Yes,
Sir, my next question is, what exactly do you think has, make you? There must be the role of certain organizations, and in short, what are the inspiration you are following, or what are the challenges you have faced, and today you have reached where you are?
Yes. So nice question, ma'am, you have asked. I think there are so many challenges when we are working in the field of social work. We have to face so many challenges. If we work with the community, so community has their own systems, their own cultures. So sometimes we are not following their cultures, their systems. But I think we have to cope up with their culture, their customs, and their disciplines also. So sometimes we are working for the organizations. So organizations having their limitations. Organization having some rules and regulations. So that rules and regulations also will not cope up with the culture of the society. So, sometimes our commitment, our dedications can, resolve these obstacles easily. And I think the organizations with whom I have worked, like Helpage India, Navjivan Trust, or Water and Sanitation Management Organizations, means VASMO, they have grown me a lot. Means every time they have sent me for the exposure visit, they have sent me some programs, some training programs, some workshops, and they have developed me a lot in the field of planning, in the field of execution strategy, in the field of implementation and planning. So I have learned a lot. And whenever I got the opportunity to participate in these programs, means in workshops and seminars, I deeply, worked or executed the things what I have learned from different organizations. So this is the inspirations I have learned from different organizations, or so many well-wishers are there, like Dr. Geetika ma'am is there, who is the chairperson of this foundation. And whenever I approach her for any projects or programs, she always tell me, Vinod, we have to do more and more work for the community. And I think that sentence inspire me a lot to do more and more work for the community as well as the society.
Wow, great, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, another thing I want to ask you is, as you have worked with lots of organizations and you have worked on the field, in the ground, so what are the accomplished projects, or the projects, high ambitious projects where you have worked and you feel that yes, this is the real success for me?
Yeah, as a director of Sakshamthad Foundation, we have initiated so many projects with my team members and under the guidance of Dr. Geetika ma'am. I think we have initiated more than 25 projects in the rural area as well as in the slums of Vadodara, Ahmedabad and Rajkot. But the thing is that for senior citizens, we have initiated Home Meals on Wheels project. For the women, we have Garima Women Livelihood Center. For children, we have a Bal Milan program. For women, we have a Sahiyagram Hut. We have also initiated Village Information Center where all the villagers can easily access government schemes to their doorstep. So many initiatives we have taken, but the Hoof Meals on Wheels project, Hoof is the Gujarati word. If we see the proper meaning, to provide a mentally and physically support to senior citizens. So we provide one-time meal to the senior citizen at their doorstep. Not only giving a meal, but we provide health facilities at their doorstep. Also, we are trying to access them the government schemes and how we can create the awareness among the people or community. That also objective we have mentioned in our this project, means Hoop Meals on Wheels project. So this project is very close to my heart, and I am very happy to share that we have delivered more than 60,000 meals to the senior citizens at their doorstep, and I think we have covered more than 90 beneficiaries we have covered under these projects. And every month we organize this health day, means we celebrate health day every month, and our team of Parul Sevashram Hospital go there, visit the families, visit the senior citizens, dada or dadi, and they will take them up, and if needed, we will take them to the hospital for further treatment also. So that project is very close to my heart, and hope we will go ahead along.
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah.
sir. We wish that you go so
Yes,
far.
yes.
Sir, next question is, what is your ultimate goal? Being director of Sakshamthad Foundation, being associated with Parul University, what is your vision? Where ultimately you want to reach and you work towards?
So as a director of Sakshamthad Foundation, and I am the part of this Parul University social responsive initiative cell. Parul University has a global identity, and I am thinking, or I am planning is that we should have, means foundation has that identity, like a global level identity should be there. Okay, so we have developed lots of projects and programs for the global level, and where we can connect, like a UNICEF organizations or UNESCO, or sometimes Helpage India, Helpage International is there. So how we can connect, or we can make a proper or visible identity for the foundation. Another thing is that the foundation has developed so many concepts, like a model village program. So in India there are so many smart villages, but I think there are no smart model villages. Smart villages means some basic amenities are there, electricity is access in a proper way or not, CCTV camera is there. But in our concept of model village, we are trying to fulfill that, whether children are going to school properly, whether 100% school enrollment is there, whether all the villagers are having 100% documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card, whether all the rural women are getting proper employment, all the youth are getting proper employment. So such type of component we are planning to cover in our model village program. So now we are trying to make Madheli village as a model village, and gradually we will increase, or we will go ahead with another 4 villages of Vagodia block. So we have made 5 years action plan to execute this model village. So, and gradually we are planning to have one old age home in nearby villages, one good hostel for the orphan children where all the children can get a proper education. So this is the vision, mission we have in next 5 years.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Sir, what do you think the role Parul University plays in whatever you are doing in terms of support or in terms of the backbone as you are working in the very vast field? So, can you explain the role of Parul University?
Yes, I think you know that Parul University is having a good number of children. Means I think more than 75,000 students are there, more than 10,000 faculties are there, and I think so many non-teaching staffs are also there. So, and university itself has a very good experience in an academic field. So how we can connect this academic experience for the community enhancement? So whenever students enter in the Parul University and when they complete their graduation or post graduations, we are trying to create a social responsibility among the students. So means human values we can try to create, moral values we can try to create, and that after the completing this moral means graduations, they will carry that moral values or human values with them, and they will execute these values or human values in their professional lives, so they can become a good citizen or good Indian, and contribute something for the society. So this is the I think the Parul University, and always whenever we need any support from the university or management of the university or the deans or director, they always approach us to ask any questions or to provide any support. So they are very positive. They are always ready to give support for the social development activities. So on this occasion, I extend my sincere thanks to the management, especially Gitika ma'am, Devanshu sir, Parul ma'am, Komal ma'am, and all the deans directors on the team of Sakshamthad Foundations. They always support us, guide us, and motivate us to do more and more social work for the community.
Great, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for
Yes,
sharing this visionary work you do.
Yes,
And the canvas is definitely so wide you work on, and it's really difficult to, reach to the downtrodden class, and you are reaching them. This is really appreciative, and I wish you all the best for
Yes,
your
ma'am.
future endeavors. Thank you so much, sir, for
Yes,
being
ma'am.
with us.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam. Thank you.